How to fix the slow internet problem on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings and then go into the device connectivity and then make sure that the Bluetooth and any other options is disabled. Go back, click on the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and then disable it. After that, you have to go into the Wi-Fi, and if you are able to change the network, change it, and if you are not, then you have just to turn it off again and turn it on. Now go back and do the same thing with the mobile network if you are connected with the mobile data, and also make sure that the 4G or the 5G option is enabled. Now you have to do one last thing, which is just restart your phone and reopen your Wi-Fi, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.